Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the art and science of personal growth, exploring topics that help you become the best version of yourself. If you're new here, we invite you to join our community. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss our videos. Remember, this channel is all about helping you navigate life's challenges and seize opportunities for growth. Today, we're diving into a vital topic that touches every aspect of our lives: belonging. It's a simple concept, yet its implications are profound. So let's get started, and as always, we're excited to have you on this journey with us. Ever heard the saying, "Don't belong where you don't belong"? Let's unpack that today. It's a simple phrase with profound implications. It encourages us to choose environments and relationships that celebrate our unique essence, rather than suppress it. It nudges us to surround ourselves with people who respect our individuality, rather than belittle it. It's about understanding that where we belong isn't just a place, but a state of acceptance and mutual respect. Imagine a life where you're not just existing, but thriving. That's the power of belonging. It's not about fitting in, it's about being valued for who you truly are. The key to a fulfilling life lies in understanding where you belong, and navigating towards those spaces and people who truly care about you. Now that we've set the stage, let's move on to identifying where you truly belong. How do you know where you belong? It's simpler than you might think. You see, your true environment is one where you feel nurtured, comfortable, and most importantly, where you can be your authentic self. It's an atmosphere that doesn't demand you to fit into a mold, but rather appreciates your uniqueness and individuality. It's a place where you're seen, heard, and valued for who you are, not for who others want you to be. How do you identify this environment? Start by reflecting on where you feel most at home. This doesn't have to be a physical place. It could be a group of people, a hobby, or even a state of mind. Ask yourself, where do I feel most appreciated? Where can I express myself freely without fear of judgment? These reflections will guide you towards your true environment. Remember, the right environment will make you feel appreciated, not depreciated. Having identified your true environment, you might be wondering, what's next? The answer is simple: nurture it. Your environment is not just a place where you exist, it's a place where you grow. But how do you nurture your environment? Start by investing your time and energy wisely. If it's a group of people, spend quality time with them. Engage in meaningful conversations, share experiences, and build stronger bonds. If it's a hobby, commit to learning and improving. Practice regularly, seek feedback, and push your boundaries. If it's a state of mind, work on maintaining it. Engage in mindfulness exercises, practice gratitude, and foster positive thinking. Remember, a healthy environment isn't just about feeling good, it's about growing and evolving. So take the time to nurture your environment and watch it flourish. Intermission. If you're enjoying this content and find our discussions helpful, consider joining our Patreon. Your support allows us to create more engaging and insightful content. Plus, as a patron, you get access to exclusive content and behind-the-scenes peeks. Check out the link in the description below to join our Patreon community. Now, let's dive back into our discussion on spotting genuine people. Now let's talk about people. How can you tell if someone genuinely cares about you? It's a question that often puzzles us, and the answer lies in some subtle yet profound signs. Let's begin with active listening. Genuine people will not only hear you but also understand you, giving you their undivided attention. They'll engage in your conversation, ask follow-up questions, and show empathy. Next, we have consistent respect. Genuine people respect you and your boundaries. They value your opinions, even when they disagree, and never belittle you. Lastly, there's unconditional support. True friends stand by your side through thick and thin. They celebrate your victories and help you get back on your feet when you stumble. Remember, it's not about grand gestures or lofty promises. The essence of genuine care lies in the everyday actions, the little things that show someone is there for you. As the saying goes, actions speak louder than words. Pay attention. Sometimes you'll realize you're in a place where you don't belong or with people who don't truly care. What then? It's a question that requires courage to answer. Courage to acknowledge that this place, these people, they might not be for you. And that's okay. It's okay because the world is vast and opportunities are endless. You are not a tree rooted in one spot forever. You have the power to move, to find your true environment, to surround yourself with genuine people. Choosing to leave an unsuitable environment or relationship is not a defeat. It's a brave step towards prioritizing your happiness and well-being. It's about recognizing that you deserve to be where you feel valued, where you can grow, where you can be your authentic self. Courage is not just about facing danger, it's also about embracing change. It's about trusting yourself enough to take the first step towards a better future. Remember, moving on isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of respect for yourself. So we've covered a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We began by understanding the art of belonging, recognizing the importance of feeling at home in our environment and within ourselves. We then moved on to identifying our true environment, emphasizing the need to be in places that nurture our growth and align with our values. Next, we explored how to spot genuine people. We discussed how true care manifests itself and how to differentiate between authentic affection and superficial interest. We've learned that genuine people are consistent, reliable, and show empathy. Finally, we touched on the courage to move on. We acknowledged the bravery it takes to leave situations that no longer serve us, even if it feels uncomfortable initially. Remember, don't belong where you don't belong. It's your life. Make sure it's one you're happy with. You have the power to shape your own journey. Embrace it.